subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Samsung has introduced its new 5G phone under a series in Vietnam called Galaxy A25. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Galaxy A25 5G features a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 1000 nits of peak brightness support. The phone comes powered by Exynos 1280 chipset, paired with Mali G68MP4 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 6 or 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB via hybrid microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Galaxy A25 5G sports a vertically aligned triple camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 120-degree field of view, along with the 2-megapixel macro lens with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has 13-megapixel camera under the U-shaped notch at the top center with f2.2 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 14 with One UI 6 skin on top, and it is equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 25 watts fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also comes with Dolby Atmos surrounding sound system for better audio experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 161 by 76.5 by 8.3 mm, and it weighs around 197 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Galaxy A25 has been priced in Vietnam at 6,590,000 Vietnamese dong, and it is said to go on sale in the country starting from December 16th, in optimistic green, yellow, and black color options. So, what do you guys think of this Galaxy A25 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.